Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. So today we are going to discuss about how to create, alter and drop a database. So to create a database, below is the syntax create database name. So once you create a database graphically using the designer or using a query, the following two files gets generated automatically. MDM file, data file, contains actual data. LDF file, transaction log file, used to recover the database. So let's see that. Okay, so create database name. So created. Let me refresh. So database is there. So this is a query. By using query, we will create a database. How to create? To graphically, right? Create. Right click on database. Click on new database. Here we can give the test demo db. Okay. So we will see where it is stored. See, automatically the log files are creating. Let me create. Click OK. So now we have created two databases. One is TechieStudy and TestDemo. Let's check the two files is generated or not. MDF and LDF files. See. So TechieStudy MDF and TechieStudy underscore log LDF files, both files are generated. Which path? In this path. Cancel and remove last line. Click OK. Let's see. So click here and paste the path. Continue. See here it's created. So temp db and test demo log, TechieStudy log, test demo. So tempdb by default system databases all MDF LDF files already there. So which we have created two databases. So those LDF MDF files created in the path. So if you want, we can configure different paths as well. Okay.